Why do leaders fail during disasters?
Have you ever wondered why flood projects fail ghost projects? Or why some disaster funds go missing? Today, we'll explore the four ethical theories to understand these issues. Magandang araw po sa inyong lahat. Ako si Friendly Pulat at ngayon ay pag-aralin natin ang apat na teoryang etikal gamit ang hottest issues dito sa Pilipinas. Mula sa Maharlika Fund hanggang sa pagtulong sa mga nasalanta ng lindol o ano pat iba't ibang trahedya. May mga hinahanda din akong tanong para sa inyo upang mas unawaan kung ano ito. Tara, simulan na natin.
Deontology o Kantian ethics. Deontology or Kantian ethics focuses on duty. It says actions are moral if they follow universal rules, regardless of the consequences. A key idea is the categorical imperative. Act only according to rules that everyone should follow. Para kay Immanuel Kant, ang tama ay ang gawin ang iyong duty kahit walang personal na benepisyo. Halimbawa noong taong 2023, ini-expose ng COA na 893 milyon na flood control projects sa Bulacan ay ghost o hindi umano'y hindi totoo. Ayon sa deontology, duty ng mga opisyal na maging transparent kasi kung lahat ng opisyal ay magnanakaw, mawawala ng tiwala ang taong bayan. Universal law yun na hindi pwedeng i-break, kaya dapat kahit takot silang ma-penalize, dapat ipakita nila kung saan ginamit ang pera. What if all officials hid project details? Would society function? So, if all officials hid project details, society would not work well because there would be no transparency. This would cause mistrust and possibly corruption. So, being open is important for society to run smoothly. So, moving on, utilitarianism. It is about achieving the greatest good for the greatest number. Actions are ethical if they maximize overall happiness. So during Typhoon Odette, prioritizing evacuations in coastal areas saved many lives. But it also meant delayed aid for inland communities. This raises a question. Is it ethical to prioritize the majority at the expense of fairness to minority groups? No. It is generally not ethical. Utilitarianism focuses on the greatest good for the greatest number, but leaving minority groups behind can cause harm and inequality. A fair society should consider the well-being of everyone, not just the majority. So next is the virtue ethics. Virtue ethics focuses on character and moral virtues. It asks, what would a virtuous person do? We can see this in the actions of leaders like Mayor Vex Soto, who prioritized transparency during lockdowns. Ginawa niyang accessible ang ayuda sa Pasig. Compare mo sa ilang opisyal na nagpa-grab ng vaccines para sa sarili nila. Dapat, ang virtue ng integrity ang magdidikta ng actions nila, hindi yung pa-epal o pa-viral. Kung lahat ng opisyal ay may virtues, mas mabilis sana ang recovery natin sa mga krisis. Katanungan, do our leaders inspire trust through their character? So, whether leaders inspire trust through their characters is based on their actions and virtues. If they show courage, integrity, and compassion, people are more likely to trust them. It's important to watch their behavior to decide if they are truly trustworthy. Now, let's move on to the last theory, social contract theory. Social contract means the government protects people and people follow laws. But what if the government breaks trust? The Maharlika Investment Fund is an example. Maraming nagtatanong, bakit pension funds ang ginagamit pang investment sa isang risky na proyekto? Para sa mga kritiko, nilabag nito ang tiwala ng taong bayan. Kung hindi nire-respeto ng gobyerno ang kasunduan, paano natin sila papanagutan? Question: how can citizens hold leaders accountable? So, citizens can hold leaders accountable through voting them out of office, protesting, and demanding transparency. They can also use legal means like filing lawsuits and supporting independent media to expose wrongdoing. It's important for citizens to stay informed and actively participate in their government. I'm leaving you with this quote saying,
Understanding ethics isn't just for school, it's for real life. Leaders must be accountable and we must demand honesty. Next time disaster strikes, let's ask, what's the right thing to do? Thank you for watching, stay safe and be great everyone.
Time to won't say nothing at all.